All right, so Yute, Y-U-T-E, has a mission to intervene in the lives of at-risk youth and produce graduates with the values, skills, education, and self-discipline necessary to succeed as adults. How are they doing this? Well, project manager at the Multicare Youth Foundation, Tanisha Stoney, and YUTE intern, Dejan Constable, are going to tell us all about it. I suspect that's Tanisha right there. Morning, Tanisha. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. How are you?
Hi, Neville. I'm good, and how are you?
I can't complain. Give thanks. Project manager, the Multicare Youth Foundation. Tell me about the Multicare Youth Foundation and what do you guys do?
The Multicare Youth Foundation, Neville, it's an amalgamation of YOU and YUTE. That's Youth Upliftment through. So it's internship, mentorship, vocational life skills training, and of course, our flagship life skills project, Passport to Success.
Okay. And now we're talking about youth tours. What is that?
Yes. The Youth Tours is a look at our interns. They did summer internship and they're currently now doing their what we term Christmas internship. So it's 6 weeks paid internship. And Youth Tours is just us visiting them at their host organizations, at their internship sites.
And do what? Why are you doing this? Just to see what they're doing and how they're getting on and stuff? Why are you doing that?
Our host organizations, how is it that our youth, they're performing? Because outside of just giving them internship, they would have gone through 30 lessons of employability skills training using our life skills Passport to Success life skills curriculum.
Okay.
So we want to touch base and hear firsthand how they are performing. You know, we're looking at attendance, punctuality, all those things that makes us good employees.
Yeah. In this case, what age is youth in this case?
15 to 29 years of age.
Why that?
Our internship.
Why that age group?
This age group, apart from it being the government's definition of what a youth is, and our policy speaks to interventions targeting 15 to 29 years of age, what you will find is that the statistics and the studies shows us that especially with boys, they are normally the perpetrators and victims of crime and violence, and this project is a crime prevention strategy.
Okay. Dejan, you here there with us now? Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I am fine.
Okay, great to have you with us, sir. How did you find out about this and where were you placed as an intern?
Well, I found out about this with a very close friend of mine, actually. He told me about the program and he said I should come along and join him. So I did. They placed me at Hope Zoo.
Yeah.
Right? And there was a lot of experience there. It was very fun for me because I interact with other people. I learned how to deal with situations that I didn't normally know about. I had experience during that time. As I said, I learned a lot of new things that I didn't know.
Yeah. Sorry to jump into John, but why did this friend think that this would be good for you? And then why did you want to join it when you heard about all that they were doing?
Well, probably he think it was good for me because, we were actually doing the same thing, we weren't doing anything at the time. So he wanted to be productive with the time we had and learn some things on how to build ourselves for the future and gain some experience. So,
yeah. What did you do at the Hope Zoo? What were you asked to do?
Maintenance.
They never afraid of the animal, them and the lizard, them and all kind of things, John?
Some sort, most times.
You go back at Christmas?
Yes, I do. Hoping.
And you're looking forward to that, right?
Very much so.
Which school you went to or going to?
Norman Manley High School.
Oh, fantastic. That's a a really good school. So Tanisha, what happens now? How many are involved now, and what do you do with them now at Christmas time?
So for the summer, we had 20 at-risk youth, predominantly boys. I think 15 of which were boys. And after internship, definitely after the Christmas internship, we know for constable, we would be looking at engaging him with a mentor, because that's one of our strategies employed here at Multicare Youth Foundation, where we twin each participant with a protective factor in which we see in a mentor.
Okay.
So for Dejani, after Christmas internship, come January, he'll definitely start his mentorship
Okay.
with us.
How long do they stay with you from start to finish? So how long do you?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years, because they go through life skills training. Dejan is doing, is it auto mechanic at Norman Manley? So they do the vocational skills training, internship, and 1 year of mentorship.
Yeah.
So roughly 2 years, never.
Are these youngsters paid?
If they are,
Paid?
it's paid internship. Yes, it is.
Oh, wonderful. That's fantastic. And the mentors, I suspect you pull them from different areas in society.
Different areas, different corporate. Sometimes they're from the communities, the very communities that they are, which makes them relatable.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But we pull from every profession. It's an open call. There's some screening and assessment that's done.
Okay.
Our mentors are asked to produce a police record. So
Okay.
it's a very systematic way in which we select and
Okay.
match
Yeah.
our mentors and mentors.
Dejan, would you encourage your friends to attempt to be a part of all of this?
Oh yes, definitely. I actually told most of them about it, that they can join with us on the program. So yeah, I would definitely advise that.
Fantastic. What you gonna be when you leave this program? What you gonna do?
Well, I want to be a ship engineer actually.
A ship engineer.
Yeah.
You know anyone who's done anything like that?
Yes, my father.
Okay, all right. So you know exactly where you want to go. It's great to meet you. I'm happy that you're a part of this, and I hope,
you
I
very
pray
much.
that everything will work out for you. All right. So
Thank you
look
very
after
much.
yourself. Ensure said the animal them don't run you down up at the zoo there in the region. Cause no, me, Dejan, me serious, me afraid of them too. So just look after yourself, and hopefully next time you speak with us, you'll be a ship engineer. Tanisha, you get the final word. What you going to say to the youngsters? What do you want to say to them before you go?
We have a lot of opportunities for youngsters. Reach out to us here at Multicare. Email us, Multicare Youth Foundation. Visit our website at www.myfjamaica.org. Reach out to us at 922-6670. Talk with one of our officers. We have social workers here. We have a lot of partnerships, funding from USAID, FHI 360, and the local partner development. We have a host of pro-social activities. Just come on board. Just make use of every opportunity.
All
Be a
right.
positive opportunist.
All right, fantastic. You guys doing a great job. Great to see you. Dejan, stay safe, both of you. God bless you both. Project manager at the Multicare Youth Foundation, Tanisha Stoney, and YUTE Youth Intern, Dejan Constable. All right, up next, learning about the witness care